Looking at some heavy duty wind damage. It looks like I got a trampoline turned over, and then just up the road here from that, 2 houses over, I've got a tree knocked over onto a car, and I can't tell if this is just the tree falling on him or if he ran into the tree or what the heck happened. Because that car is pretty mashed up. I can't tell if it just happened. It's even into the fence. I'm going to get past this and look at the other angle here so you can see what's going on. It looks like it just happened because there's branches laying right at the edge of the pavement. This is at 15476 Merrill. That's just... Man, look at that. The other car smashed into the telephone pole. This looks like it happened previously. Let me get another view as I drive past. Man, what a mess.